The library subscribes to a biography database where you can look for biographical information on certain people. To get there, all you need to do is go to the AP Euro Socratic seminar page that I made for you guys, and the link is on the library's growth site. And you can either click in your search term here in the box or click directly on the icon and it'll take you to the home page. You might be asked to enter a password, and the password is not your student ID number. You'll need to get the password from the handout that I gave you, or if you lost that, you can come to the library or email Miss Gonzalez and we'll give it to you there. Once you're logged in, it should take you to the home page. You can see there's several different sections of the home page. You can browse by category. You can search by biographical facts. There's also a spotlight section. The spotlight section changes every now and then, and it features a different person. But right now I'm going to show you how to do a search. There are several ways that you can search this database, but this is just the basic, most easiest way to do it. It's pretty self-explanatory. Just type in the person's name and click on search or press enter. And you'll see a list of people that match the search. So I searched for Abraham Lincoln, and here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people that came up. So this means that there are several people with the name Abraham Lincoln in this database. So you want to make sure that you choose the correct one. In our case, we are looking for Abraham Lincoln, the American president. So I'm going to search there, or click on that one. And here's an image of him, so we know we've got the right person. And then our results are listed here. You can see that it's divided up by tabs, and each tab contains a different type of result. This first one is biographies, and I have 6 biographies all about Abraham Lincoln. And there's a brief summary of the article down below it. It also includes a word count, so you can look and see how long the article is without ever having to read it. The next tab is brief biographies. These are obviously shorter than the biographies that you would find in the first tab. It's great if you just need to look up something really quick about that person, or if you just want to make sure that you really are looking at the correct person. The next tab is magazines and news, and this one usually has a lot more results. Here we have 501 results. So all of the results listed here are from newspapers like the New York Times. They're also from magazines and journals, anything that's a periodical, which is published on a regular basis. The last tab here is something that's unique about this website, or about this database, and it gives you links to really good, credible websites. This is really useful if your teacher says, well, you need 4 resources, and maybe you've only found 3. So you can come here, click on the websites tab, and it'll give you a couple more places to look and check out, so you can add them to your list of resources. So I'm going to go back to the biographies tab, and let's say I found an article that's really interesting and I want to look at it more and read the whole thing. All I need to do is click on the article, and here is the entire thing. Now what's great about this database is if you want to, you can click on the printer to print it. You can also email it. And one of my favorite things is the citation feature. So if I click on the citation link, or if I just scroll down to the bottom, it takes me to the citation. All you have to do for the citation is copy and paste it into your works cited or bibliography page. So it takes a lot of the work out of figuring out, well, what is MLA style, and where do my commas go, and where do my periods go. It's already done for you there. So that's basically how you do a basic search on this Biography Resource Center. It can get a little complicated if you try to do more advanced stuff, but if you want to try that, or if you're interested in learning more, please feel free to come to the library and ask me for help, and I'd be glad to help you anytime.